Okay, we did find it. So that was good. Just trying to figure out how it went on now. Okay. So, had to have gone on. Believe it's just a cushion for a speaker. But, like, or the mic maybe. Okay, I just need this little piece. Oh, my flathead. There we go. Okay. There we go with that. Okay. Now this is all connected. That's all connected. So the next stage is to put the battery back in. Thank you. So we now are going to wiggle this back in. Oh, did I not? I might needed to finish screwing this in. Again, making sure no wires are being crushed. Those are going to their respective parts. Okay. It's a little loose. Okay. So, make sure this is in the right way. We wiggle, 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 wiggle. So this would also be how you change your battery if you needed to change your battery. Okay, that's in there good. Now we put the cover back on. I put my screws in there so I know where they are. Okay. Make sure we go top in first. Okay, snap together nice. Okay, now we screw it in. Is it though? Thank you to my oldest daughter for being my videographer today. Makes it so much easier when you don't have to video yourself. Yeah, and she's holding it all in her hand. So thank you again for that. Again, you know, it'd be nice if PlayStation was a sponsor for this, you know. I mean, even though my dog is the one who caused this issue, but a lot of people have to fix their controllers anyways because of their issues. I was told that Pro controllers were really good because they did better on fixing the issue with the stick drift because you're able to change them out so they kind of made it harder for dirt and debris to get in. So I have heard that if you want to spend the extra what, 30, 40 bucks, that one might help last longer, unless you're handy and or you're a fixin' vixen. Okay. Oh, and I turned it on again. Well, at least it works. Okay, so we got that done, and now we just need to snap this. Well, we got to snap the buttons back on. So we need our ones. So we've got our L1 button, what should we put right here? And remember, these were just the 2 snaps on either side. So L1, pew, pew. Then we need R1. That's L1 and R1. Okay. So put this one back on there. Or not. Come on. Come on. Of course. This one is just angry because it was a dog treat. Perfect. Now for the coup de grace. Okay, we get it this way, and we get this. We're gonna get this piece is little wedged in here. Do 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 do. Okay. Not wedged one of these back in here before. This is my first time taking a PS5 controller apart, so I learned a lot in this video with you guys. Okay, so now, other than a few chew marks here and there, my oldest daughter's controller is now working again. So, that is how you fix the R2 or L2 trigger buttons if you need to know. Alrighty, well, it's been fun fixing Vixens. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy fixing!